Alright guys, so another update on the Monte Carlo. We got the headers sitting in where they need to be. Got brand new spark plugs in it. Brand new distributor cap, and rotor button. I'm just missing header gaskets, and then I'm going to bolt them back up. Got to get some belts, and got to get some carburetor bolts, and then the carburetor will be on. So the next step is just header gaskets and then wiring all the motor stuff up. Let me take you to our parts inventory right now. Alright, so before I do the parts inventory, found a little problem with the front pump seal on the transmission. It was leaking. So we went ahead and took it out. And I just bought some new ones to go in it. Front pump seal, and here is the transmission grommet, the damn dipstick grommet. So I went ahead and bought another one of them. That's in here too. So we got that. I got front brake pads. I got front rotors with studs and lugs, as y'all see. There's the transmission pan gasket that we changed out. Got the bolts that'll send it straight into, well, the transmission to the block bolts. Yeah, I still got to get wheel bearings. We got to pack the wheel bearings. And let's say hi to Quacky. Say hi, Cotton. Now we shouldn't have no leakage.
We got that transmission out. I want to check this.
And we got a power steering pump with the bracket from a neighbor of ours. That's going to be put on. Still got the quadrupuke that we're going to throw on temporarily till we save up enough to put a Edelbrock or Holly on it. Got the nose cone sitting over here. But yeah, slow and steady. Slow and steady. She's coming along. We're yeah, that is exactly what she said. Got a new fan for her in the trunk. Got the spark plug wire sitting in it. Got the header bolts in there too. That way we can bolt her up whenever I get the gasket. Here's the dipstick.
Man, I need to pick up oil.
But yeah, as soon as we get wiring done, hopefully, we'll have her cranking up for y'all. And soon enough, she'll be moved from sitting right here into the shed that Pops is building. Which is a work in progress at the moment. But we're going to have a wood-floored shop, essentially. Already has electricity ran to it. That's what we've been using the drills on and everything. But yeah, figured I'd give y'all a little update on the Monte. So, once again, guys, do appreciate y'all watching my shit. Thanks again. Make sure to like and subscribe. Take it easy.